everyone, welcome back to another release video. September 25th at 10 a.m. PST, that is the official release time of our exclusive collaboration with Any Plants Printables. In this release, you do have the B6 Classic Daily and Weekly Planners that's made of Tomoe River paper, and the Airy covers that come in the matching size, and of course tons of accessories that will truly level up your planner setup. The B6 Classic planners come in two layouts, the daily and the weekly. Both have covers that are made of this super soft and luxurious PU material that is very nice to the touch. The daily layout is made of 52 GSM Tomoe River paper and it's got 460 pages. The weekly is made of 68 GSM Tomoe River paper and it's got 300 pages. If you're new to the planning world, the Tomoe River paper is probably one of the best writing papers out there in the world. It's 100% made in Japan, and we had to put in a lot of effort to make sure that this book is done properly. The two books are exactly the same in cover size. The weekly has got less pages, but it uses the thicker paper, so that kind of evens out and gives the two books very similar size and weight. In terms of bleed through, I tried a couple of pens on both papers. I don't see an obvious bleed through on either one, but I do think the 68 GSM thicker paper is going to hold ink a little bit better when you're writing in full spread. Both books come in a 0.15 inch grit background, which 10 of them adds up to exactly 1.5 inch in column width that will fit your sticker kits perfectly. Both books are undated, and you get a 2-page yearly overview of 2022 all the way to 2025, which is a great reference if you wanted to date your pages. Then you get 4 pages of yearly columns. That's 12 columns for the full year. You can use these columns for your daily gratifications, to mark down your important days of the month, or just as a mood tracker or any sort of tracker of the month. It's just so much fun to mark your progress day by day. Moving on to the monthly pages. You get 12 monthly calendars back to back in the front of the planner. These are undated, so I'm starting my book in the month of August. If you purchase the bundle, you'll get index stickers that has date headers and date dots that fits perfectly in your monthly calendars. And by the way, you can have a Monday start or Sunday start depending on your personal preferences. Next, we get to the core of the planner, which is the weekly plus daily pages. The daily book has a 1 day per page layout, so for every week there is a weekly page followed by 7 daily pages. The weekly page features a 7-day column on the very left. I use this column to go over my most important tasks for each day. And on the right, you get a large free space where you can use your stickers in the 1.5 inch columns, or you can do a freestyle bujo with minimal decorations. And then in your daily pages, you start off with a header box on the very top where you can write in your date or title. And this box also fits your standard 15mm washi tapes perfectly if you wanted to decorate it that way. And then below this, you get a very faintly printed 4-row checklist for your most important to-dos of the day. And below that, you get your daily free space. And on the very left, you have a timeline dotted by the hours. There are also timeline stickers in the index sticker bundle if you're too lazy to write in your timeline. There's just so many ways you can use your daily pages, and remember the 3 columns are exactly 1.5 inch in width, so at any time you can overwrite the layouts for a full sticker spread. And alternatively, you can use no stickers and plan in a vertical style, or overwrite the column secret lines and write in a complete bujo style. We purposely made the column secret lines very faint in color, so it's easy to ignore if you wanted to go horizontal. We really tried our best to incorporate the pages with as much freedom as possible for your unique way of planning, but also leaving enough references for a more structured layout. And this is why we call it the most versatile planner book. And at the back of the book, you get 12 full grid pages where you can use as a personal tracker, a contact list, inspirational brain dump, or anything of your preferences. And in the classic weekly planner, you get the same 2-page yearly overview and the 12 monthly calendars. And in between the calendars, you get a full grid spread, which is great for a monthly memory plan or your monthly goals, or a simple recap on the important events of the month. Once you get into the core of the weekly planner, you'll see a 7-day on 4-page layout. In this layout, you can use the first box as a weekly overview and your days in the 7 boxes after it. And in each day box, you get a header box and also a free grid space below it. And then you have that 1.5-inch column on the right for sticker use or as a separate section in your planning system. I personally like to put my work stuff in the grid spaces and my personal errands in the right column. And don't forget, at any time, you can always overwrite the layout with a full 3-column sticker spread. Now going into the next main product in this collection, the Airy planner covers. As the name suggests, this is a super lightweight cover that fits your B6 planners perfectly. The Airy covers features a large front pocket where you can slide in your stickers, your notebooks, receipts, or just any type of paper on the go. We got this design inspiration from Randy at Randy Plants and made it into 2 styles, the scallop edge style and the straight edge style. And each style comes in 4 unique colors. For the scallop edge, you get the lullaby, the snow angel, the camellia, and the lavender cream. And for the straight edge, you get the black cashmere, the dewy pink, the charcoal crush, and the tan. The scallop pocket features a small scallop pocket on the inside with 2 depth-adjusted pockets on top of it. And I'm putting in my die cuts, my post-it notes, some stickers, and also some cards. And on each side of the planner, there are 2 large side pockets to slide in the cover of your B6 planners. There are also 2 super adorable bookmarks in the middle of the cover for you to navigate in your planners. And at the bottom of the planner, we left a little loop to attach your favorite charms and accessories. And on the back, there is a large secretarial pocket. You can tuck the back cover of your planner in here for quick access. And by the way, if you already own a B6 cloud cover, you can also tuck the planner into the back pocket of the cloud. This time we did dual elastic pen loop on the strap closure to make sure that nothing gets stuck to the edge or the tabs on your planner. And we made this planner very roomy, so by the time your planner really bulks up with all the writing and stickers, you'll still have plenty of space to tuck in your favorite die cuts and accessories. Last but not least, this collection comes with many accessories that allow you to make your planner a truly unique one. First, you get a super adorable cloud clip that you can use as a today marker or simply clipping on additional papers to your planner. And these cuties come in 8 beautiful colors. And then you get your skinny side tab stickers in 12-month, which allows you to divide your pages neatly and stay organized over the course of a full year. And these side tab stickers come in 3 colors, black, white, and pink. And these stickers can be placed insetted or protruded. And for a little bit more customization, you also have the classic size tab stickers. These are a little bit bigger than the skinny size, and it's a great way to add layers to your tabs for an easy navigation. And these tab stickers come in 4 solid colors and additional rainbow option. You also get to customize the text on your tab with our perfect fit labels in 3 different text colors. It's just so much fun to play with these. I guarantee your planner will look extra sassy by the end of your setup. So a little tutorial on how to use these stickers. So first you place your text labels onto the tab stickers and then place the whole thing onto your planner. The key here is to take it very slow when you are folding the tab stickers to make sure that the 2 layers align perfectly. And for these labels, you get 3 color options: the black, the silver, and the gold. And lastly, we have the index sticker kits that are specially designed for the layout of these books. In every kit, there are 3 sheets of stickers in the color pink, black, and blue. And on every sheet, there are multiple date covers, date dots, monthly headers, timelines, and a lot more for you to play in your books. I'll be posting more reels on how I use these stickers after the release. And before I forget, we also made this super adorable mini calendar sheet for the year 2022. You can stick these easily into your daily or weekly pages. They are highlighter friendly, and it's just a super easy way to remind yourself where you're at in the month. And because there are a ton of things in this release, I'll be posting the pricing info down below in the description box. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, make sure to set your alarm for September 25th at 10 a.m. PST.